Hi guys, Giselle here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you're new here, welcome to my video. This is a new type of video. This is not a hair video. As you can see, I have my makeup festively done, so I decided to film a makeup video doing this look for the holidays. Obviously, Christmas is coming up. There's going to be a lot of festivities going on, a lot of parties to go to. So I wanted to film a video for you guys, kind of playing in makeup. I don't really do this a lot just because I'm still kind of shy about that type of stuff, putting it on YouTube. But I do really like to play in makeup. So I had fun creating this look for you guys. I actually wore this to an ugly sweater Christmas party this past weekend, and everybody loved my makeup. So I figured I would show you guys. I showed you guys two different lip options to do as well. So yeah, without further ado, I think that's all I have to say. Oh, I did want to show you guys the palette that I used for the video. I pretty much used the entire Jaclyn Hill palette. Maybe like two colors I used elsewhere. But yeah, this is the entire Jaclyn Hill palette that I used for the video. So yeah, I think that is all I had to say, so let's get into it. Alright, so I'm going to be starting off with my Smashbox 24-hour eye primer. Please don't mind my eyebrows, they are going through a quarter-life crisis. So now that my eyes primed, I'm going to be going with Pooter and applying that all over the lid, sort of like a base color, and set my primer. After that, I'm going to take a new blending brush. This is a Sonia Kashuk. I'm going to take Roxanne and place that right on top of my crease, right above my crease. And I'm going to drag that into my inner corner, almost into the contour of my nose. Also going to drag it out towards the end of my eyebrow. Then I'm going to take the blending brush that I applied Pooter with and just fluff out the edges. So I'm going to take Jax on the same fluffy brush and apply it inside my crease. And I'm going to drag it all the way inside my crease. I'm kind of just patting it in before blending it out to get the maximum color payoff. I'm also just going to drag it out just like I did Roxanne. Just a little bit. Make sure to blend those two together on the top using light feathery strokes. Alright, going in with a smaller blending brush, I'm going back in with Jax to deepen up the crease and also packing it on the outer part of my lid. Now I'm going to go in with a white kind of eye pencil like this. This is the color Milk from Ulta. It's an eye crayon. I'm going to rub some on my finger and apply that to my lid where the bright colors are going to go. Next, I'm going to go in with Cran Apple on my finger and pat it on the middle part of my lid. Making sure to pat it on, not swipe it on. Then I'm going to go back in with my smaller blending brush and just blend it out at the edges. Also going back and forth with the actual color on my finger to make sure it doesn't lose intensity. Now I'm going to go in with the color Diva and put that in my inner corner with my pinky since it is a smaller area. Also using the patting motion to blend it into Cran Apple. Now I'm going to go in with My Way from the ColourPop Mar palette. It's a little bit of a brighter seafoam green. I'm going to take that and put that on top of Diva. Now I'm going to take my smaller blending brush with Roxanne on it with Jax on it and just blend out the edges here. And I'm going to go back and forth with the colors to make sure they don't lose their intensity. Next, with a small flat shader brush, I'm going to take the white shade from the 35K palette and place that in the inner corner. Next, I'm going to go in with my Diamond Glow powder from Artist Couture in Illuminati and place that in the inner corner. I'm going to highlight the brow bone with that same white shade from the Morphe 35K palette. Next, for liner, I'm going to be using my NYX white liner to create a wing. This is really difficult with this type of liner. It's like a paintbrush, so it gets all on my lashes. This type of eyeliner can get really cakey and start to crackle if you put too much on, so definitely be careful with that. I would definitely try to get like a felt tip white eyeliner if you could. This is just the one I have, so we're gonna try to make it work. For mascara, it doesn't matter what you use, just make sure you cover up whatever white is on your lashes. For lashes, I'm going to be going with Lemon Drop from your Lash Bar. Next, I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner. This is just my Fenty one. You can use any one. And I'm going to draw in my inner waterline just to make it look like the lash is connected and it's a real lash. And I'm also going to go in between and kind of cover up any white specks that I see in between my lashes just to cover up the mistakes. For my face, I'm just going to be using my Fenty Beauty Primer and my Fenty Beauty No Filter Foundation. I feel like on camera that may have seemed like really orange, but in real life it like matches me. But also I now live up north, so I'm gonna be pale, so I probably do need to get a lighter foundation soon. To conceal, I'm going to be taking my matchsticks in Caramel, and I'm going to be warming it up on the back of my hand so then it doesn't drag under my eye. To set my under, I'm going to be going in with my Cover FX Translucent Deep Powder. For contour, I'm going to be going in with my Fenty Matchsticks in Truffle. I forgot to set my face. To set my face first, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder. Now to blush. Finish off the eyes, I'm going to go in with a small blending brush and go in with all of the colors that I had in my crease onto the lower lid. And I'm going to connect it underneath my eyelid and drag it along the edge. For highlight, I'm going to go in first with the white eyeshadow that we use on the inner corner and the brow bone highlight, just to give me like a frosty look. And on top of that, I'm going to go in with my Diamond Glow powder in Illuminati. Now I'm going to set my face with my Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray. So for lips, you can go two routes. You can do gloss, you can do a red lip, you can do actually anything. You can do a bunch of different routes. So I'm going to show you how they look with both of my ideas. So this is with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Gloss is a good option if you just want to keep it neutral on the lips, since the lids are doing so much. And here's another option with the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that I taught you how to do something. Like I said, I don't usually do makeup videos just because I'm still kind of shy about that, but I do really like playing in makeup. So let me know if you like this video, if you want me to do more makeup videos, incorporate that into my channel. And until my next video, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.